Hi friends! Let's make some letter sounds. Let's make some letter sounds. Come practice your sounds with me. Let's make some letter sounds. We're looking at the vowel A. And the A says ah, ah, ah. So we're going to make these sounds one by one and then try to make them together. This is letter T. The T says t, t, t. And this is letter A. The A says ah, 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 t, ah, t, ah, ta. Again, T says t, A says ah, t, ah, t, ah, ta. Now this is vowel E. E says eh, eh, eh. Now let's make the two sounds one by one and then together. The T says t, t, t. The E says eh, 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 t, eh, t, eh, te. One more time. Eh, t, eh, te. This is letter I. The I says I, I, I. Now let's make the sound of these letters one by one and then we'll make them together. T says t, t, t. I says I, 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 t, I, t, I, t. One more time. T, I, t, I, t. This is vowel O. O says O, O, O. T says t, t, t. O says O, 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 t, O, t, O, ta. One more time. T, O, t, O, ta. This is vowel U. U says O, O, O. T says t, t, t. U says O, 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 t, O, t, O, ta. One more time. T, O, t, O, ta.